Hey folks, Steve Grimm here with MarineMax at Gulf Shores, Alabama. Here to talk tonight about the 2018 190 SPX Sea Ray. This is a brand new model, guys, and it's loaded with features. A couple things I really want to cover with you is I want you to notice it's got big, huge reverse chines and lifting straiks. It's got a 19-degree dead rise, and that's important, guys, when you get out in rougher water and start working around. This boat's going to handle and the chop very well, and it's also seating for up to 11 of your friends. A couple things I want to cover with you is that this has a breakaway tongue on the standard galvanized trailer that comes with this boat. This boat only weighs about 2,500 pounds fully loaded, so most mid-sized SUVs would be able to pull this boat very well. Again, a breakaway tongue on this boat, so you can store it in most garages. Most standard garages this boat will fit in. Alright, shut the door. In the cockpit of the new 2018 190 Sea Ray, you're going to find a lot of really great storage features in this boat. First of all, as you come up from the stern, you got integrated swim platforms with a standard ski tow bar in this boat. Also, you've got a huge in-floor storage area, and it even comes with an ice chest, so you can keep all your beverages good and cool there. But they haven't left you out on that alone, guys. You've got an additional ice chest here that's integrated into underneath the stern seat. But one of the things that I really like to point out on this boat is how big the storage compartment is here at the aft. Now, if you can imagine going to one of the local barrier islands, pulling up, and you can have your umbrella in here, all your beach chairs, blankets, anything else. You got ample storage here on both sides, and this is going to stay dry. So this is never going to have any water intrusion into it or anything like that. So you're going to be able to keep all your stuff in there, keep it stored, and have all your beach and amenities ready to go on this boat. Great seating, guys. Again, up to 11 people can sit on this boat. You have an integrated helm here with a Rockford Fosgate stereo. You have a nice beefy captain's chair with lift-up bolsters, and you also have 12-volt power and hookups for your stereo there. Wraparound seating, and on the side here we have a bench here that also converts into a bucket seat so that you can actually sit very comfortably and nicely there. But if you want to sit around and watch skiers, again, it's padded here. You can look towards the aft, and you have plenty of seating here to watch your skiers. Up front, we've got integrated lounges with storage underneath. Also, you have availability to come up over the bow. That cushion removes in the center, and you simply can walk straight to the back. Nice non-skid flooring, easy to keep clean. Guys, this is a value. It has a 5-year rub rail warranty on it, lifetime on the hull. Come see us at Steve Grimm at Gulf Shores MarineMax. Come and see us. We'll be happy to take good care of you.